In this quick tip, we'll look at how to copy text from an image or a printout in Microsoft OneNote. The OneNote desktop app supports optical character recognition, or OCR. This is a tool that lets you copy text from a picture or a file printout and paste it into your notes, or even to another program like Outlook or Word. Here are the steps to copy text from an image in OneNote. First, move to a page that has an image that you've captured. Next, right-click on the image and left-click on Copy Text from Picture. The text from your image will save to your clipboard. And now you can paste this into a page in OneNote or even into a Word document. So for instance, I'll right-click, paste, and here's my text, ready to edit and format. Another option in OneNote is to insert the content of other files, such as a PDF file or other files that we've sent to OneNote as a file printout. Once again, to copy the text, we right-click. And because this is a multiple page document, I have the option to copy the text from this page of the printout or to copy the text from all pages. I'll copy the text just for this. And perhaps I'll add a new page here in OneNote and simply paste the text in. So now it becomes something that I can manipulate, format for instance. I can make that bold, I can edit this text, but something that I wouldn't be able to do if I don't have access to that original source document. It's good to keep in mind that the effectiveness of the OCR depends on the quality of the image you're working with. Make sure then that after you paste text from a picture or file printout, look it over and make sure the text was recognized properly. Now you've seen how easy it is to copy text from an image or printout in Microsoft OneNote. For more tips on being productive with OneNote or to sign up for my tips newsletter, visit thesoftwarepro.com/OneNote. If this training was helpful, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. This is Bjork, the Software Pro. Thanks for watching.